Hey, Coach, I've only been here a month, and I just want you to know that about 10 days ago, Jimmy spent about 35 minutes with us talking about how to listen to you. And then yesterday, I needed to ask another question about that because I missed out on that Microsoft trade.
Mhm.
And so it's just doing exactly what the both of you have said. And Mitch, I'm having my best day yet today. And I can't thank you guys enough.
That's awesome.
Awesome.
great.
Glad to have
Love
you
it,
here, Eric.
man.
Good for you.
So
Love
cool.
it.
Good job.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
That's
yeah,
so
yeah,
great.
yeah, 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 yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. Great job. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it.